my way, baby. And now the end is near, and so I face that final curtain. My friend, I'll make it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do. I saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along that byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I guess you knew, when I bit off much more than I could chew. But with it all, whenever there was doubts, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, through it all, and did it my way. I loved, I laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as the tears subsides, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way, no, no, not me. It was my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. That record shows I took all the blows and did it my way. Yes, it was my